Okay, sir. Ramesh, sir, how was Felida's video? Would you like to comment on it?
See, Felida's video is quite different from Sushmita because this is a contest. So we need to start comparing people.
Exactly.
So if you look at the previous contestant Sushmita, so Felida, I think it is quite different because she's talking about herself, and there is around people who talk about what she wants to do. So I think the concept is very unique what she's taken up, and she's showcasing that in the video. So it's nice. It's different, compared to the other video.
Videos.
Yeah.
Okay. So, Divya ma'am, would you like to say anything?
Yeah, her video is definitely different than Sushmita's, and she's spoken well. You have confidence, and you're looking good, and I can see that you're also into charity. So that's all good. That's what we need in our contestant.
Vijaynath sir, is there any advice that you would like?
No, I think I learned little from this also, because one thing that she's put the family together over there. That's very nice.
Yes.
And she also spoke about that she used to go to this old age homes, and that's very nice. That's very touching. In fact, at this age, girls especially, should do that. It's very nice.
Okay.
And I think other girls should learn from that. That's very important.
Okay, so Felida, so judges have impressed by your video. So now we are third round. That is the pick and speak round, and you have plenty of time to talk. Okay. So are you ready for it? Yes. Are you confident?
Yes.
Okay.
So here I come. And her topic is: describe your woman of the millennium. Describe your woman of the millennium.
Good evening, judges and all the viewers who are watching us. And I thank WTN and V4 News for conducting this and bringing forward all the contestants and to describe about the women of the millennium.
Can't think of anybody?
No, right now.
Who are your favorites?
Can it be my family also? Someone who has inspired me?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, my sister has always inspired me in whatever I do. Like, she always helps me in whatever I do. So it's like, it's nice to have a sister like that. And I have always been like a best friend to her. And whenever she's in help, whenever she needs help, I help her. And whenever I need help, she's always with me. So I'm very proud to be her sister,
How is she your role model?
my sister.
How is she your role model?
Because since small, like she's always been like a mother, treating me in whatever I do. I mean, she doesn't compare with anybody, and like she helps me in whatever I do.
Who inspired you to come into the modeling?
Actually, she was the one who inspired me, or else I wouldn't be here. Because of her, I'm here.
Can you elaborate more on that?
Okay, she was the one like always forcing me like to join modeling or like go into acting. But then I used to be like, no, I don't think so. I'm that confident in facing the camera. But then she's like, no, you can do your best. So go forward. So when there was an opportunity to go ahead, so she's like, take part. And then she helped me out with this, and that's why I'm here in the top second position.
I think you should be blessed because I conduct auditions across India. The models come, but the parents don't allow. Okay. So in this case, if your parents is also blessing you, it's always a charm which adds to your luck. So let's see.
Okay, Felida, first of all, I want to say you're looking good, so don't get nervous. Okay, tell me, describe to me you as a person.
Okay, I think I'm generous and honest, and I can work hard and do whatever I want to achieve. So like if you give a difficult task, I will try my best and I will do it.
Good.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Felida.
Lida, just one more thing.
Okay.
I think I'm very impressed with you because first of all, you have taken a bold step to take part in this particular event. Second thing, you have all the qualities of being a good wife and a good mother. And at this age, you really think large, and that's really very nice. And I don't know whether you'll win this contest, but one compliment is definitely that you are really good, going to be a good human being. That's what I can see from your video and what you speak. Yeah? Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Felida. Okay, so Rahul.
She's got wonderful comments, and judges are really impressed. Yeah.
ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಆದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನರ್ವಸ್ ಇದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಲೇಟರ್ ಶಿ ವೆಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಜಡ್ಜಸ್ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಇಂಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟೆಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಯಾರು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ನಾನೇ ಹೇಳ?
ಓಕೆ,
ಅದೇ ನಾನು ಮೊದಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ನೀನೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡ, ಈ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ನಾನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಇವರು ಫೇವ್ರೇಟ್. ಸೊ ಇವರ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಂಟೆಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸುಷ್ಮಾ ರಾಜ್.
Namaste, I'm Sushma, a pure art lover, and I'm from beautiful temple city, Udupi. I'm having most loving mom, dad and brother and sister. I want to become a Miss Mangalore. My specialty is just humbleness. Humbleness to express my innocent art. With the name of beautiful coastal heaven, which is rich in art and culture, that's our Mangalore. I'm called Miss Mangalore. What more I need on this earth? I want to become modular actress because I'm having art in my blood from my childhood. My home is full of artists. If at all I'm able to express art in my blood, which is by heredity, by my parents, to reach each art lover. If at all you're given a platform to be a model, I would express my innocent art in me.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಸುಲ್ಮೆಲು ಎಂಕು ಓಟ್ ಪಾಡ್ದು ಟಾಪ್ 10 ಪಸಂ ಬೈದಿನ ಮಾತೆರೆಗ್ಲ ಎನ್ನ ಪರವಾದ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಬೊಕ ಎಂಕು ಮಾತೆರ್ಲ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಜನ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ನಗಲು ಅವಾಯ್ ಬೊಕ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಜವನೇರ್ ಪುರ ಎಂಕು ಓಟ್ ಪಾಡ್ದೆರು. ತುಂಬಾ ತುಂಬಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.